Okay, a Sealey smart charger. Doesn't turn on. Right, enough plastic still on it. Nothing. Leads a wee bit frayed there, mind you, but apart from that, somebody's been on this before. That's the wee lug, the screw to go into. So either someone's been on this before, or she's been dropped and broken. Can you see it? There's the problem there. I would say it was dropped. Sweet transformer law. Flapping in the breeze. Actual terminals either pulled out or haven't been soldered on. Right, might be a wee sample fix this one. And don't be sticking your fingers on these boards. Just be careful where you're touching because it may not be plugged in. But the caps will still be energized. If you stick your finger on the board, you're going to get a wee zap. Do you no harm, but still not nice. Yeah, manufacturing fault. See them two pins there at the top? You can see them sticking out. And these two pins here at the back. They're waved soldered on, so the solder's gone on. The pins weren't protruding. There's glue on top of that pin as well. So that's a manufacturing fault. It wasn't sitting on the board correctly whenever this was soldered. Right, don't know where my solder sucker is. So we're going to have to just do a bit of copper wire and flux. There we go. Just helps to suck the solder out of the hole. And it's just a matter of pushing this on. There's the pins. Resolder that now. Everything else looks okay. So we'll go with that. Now, does she work? Ta-da! That's her. Powering on. Don't have a battery here to actually fully test it, but you get the gist. Quality wise of the charger itself from Sealey, actual charging unit, it's okay for a cheap charger. Board's alright quality, just plastic casing on it, ABS plastic, not very strong. But downfall was these leads. been a while since I've seen cable as atrocious as this here. Plus, cheapest clamps you can imagine. It's nice soft cable, but it's not rubber, it's soft plastic. You can already see it starting to strain down here on the unit. It'll not be long till that breaks off if you're moving this about. Worse again, the leads for the actual clamps. These are fixed on. These aren't a plug-in thing. You can see the strain on that red lead especially. It's already started to split as well. These two are joint. It's already splitting apart. That's a very weak rubber sheath that's on it. That is easily going to break open and short them out. So if you have that unit, be prepared to be cutting this off and resoldering it on every now and again, because that cable is not going to last.